I'll be going live in 5. I'm just eating fat cowpad guy, getting the stream set up, and then we're good to go. So click on the link if you want to come and watch me make some motherfucking money. I'm just eating fat cowpad guy, getting the stream set up, we're good to go. So click on the link if you want to come and watch me make some motherfucking money. I'll be going live in 5. I'm just eating. Testing, 1, 2. Testing, 1, 2. Sawadee up from live from Thailand, eating a fat cowpad guy. I'm gonna shut this door. Don't mind the guitar. Sawadee up. Oh, double volumed. Right, how do I get chat up? Right, a little bit late on the open. Well, it's open right about now. What I need, I need 2 things. Fuck me, I'm sweating. Those chilies are doing me in, man. Right, I need to copy that. I need to close that. I need to open that quickly. Bosh, quick, bang. I need to bosh. Actually, I've already done that. pop that in there. Why does it always do this on my other account? Whoa, I'm gonna pin that there. And then what I want to do, how do I see the chat? Just give me chat. Yeah, there we go. There we go. I was actually just on a call with my mentor about an hour ago, and we were watching basically this move, saying it was going to melt at the top here, but it's pre-session, so I don't take trades outside of my set hours because that's just part of my rules. And yeah, expectations for this session, honestly I don't know. We are sitting around the let me stuff my food down my face. We're sitting around the point of control on the composite profile. So we've had a nice rally up, value area highs up here somewhere, value area low down here, and in the middle of all this volume you got the point of control. Now the point of control, as you can see in the past, price likes to sit here before it decides whether it wants to go higher, or if I can go back far enough. No, I can't. It's irrelevant anyway. Whether it wants to go higher or lower. Now, there's a couple of scenarios I could see potentially playing out here. Look for a bounce from this level. So a bounce from here, look for some absorption, and a push higher. We have the SpaceX IPO today, I believe. I don't know if that's like now, if that's later in the day. Honestly, not a clue. Honestly, don't really care. We do have news at 10 AM. Fuck me. Oh my god, that chili in the back of my throat. Woo. Just don't come to Thailand if you can't handle your chilies, boy. Oh, I need some aircon. I need some AC. I need some AC ASAP. Thank you very much. Let's put that there. Remove my over here. Clear my workspace. After the other day, I now have a clear desk policy when trading. Because the other day I didn't have enough room on my desk, and I clicked something by accident, and it cost me $500. So we're changing things up. We are now on a clean desk policy, which I am implementing right about now. Oh shit! Is that fish oil going everywhere? No, it's good. Oh. I am bloody sweating, man. Probably can't see it because I'm so far away from the camera, but it's probably a good thing for me. Okay, let's have a look and see what we've got going on today. I'm not in a rush to trade anything today. One reason is because I have had a pretty good week. We had a pretty solid week, honestly. We're 4 days out of 4 days profitable. I think we're up at about $2.5 grand this week on that account. 2,250, and I only need about $650 to pass that account. So it's just going to be a value area low bounce here. Up, up, up. Bit of a value area at the top here. Everything in the middle, don't really care about. Yeah, that's pretty much my my range for right now.
Let's have a look what's going on the Una Minute, the 1 minute, the range chart. Okay, we have a fucking hell of a lot of absorption down here. What's going on? Oof. Oh, that looks like longs potential, that. If ever I saw it. Bounce off the value area low. Oh, do you know what I didn't get? I didn't pinch any Gex levels off my mentor today. Oh, look at that. That's gonna rip, baby. Even today, you get what? It's a 1.6. Not really worth it for me. That'll be up to this level here. I'm not sure about these tunes, honestly. No, I'm gonna skip that one. Fuck, man, I'm honestly sweating. Whoa. I'll tell you what. If I'd have seen that absorption lower in the move, if I'd have seen it here, I might have actually jumped on that. Come into this low volume node. Come back down to here before it decides to do anything. Let's just eye up. Let's just eye up. I'm not in this. This is just having a look. I normally don't trade the first 15 minutes of the New York Open because it's the most Jesus Christ. It's the most volatile part of the session. You get a lot of manipulation and just price deciding what it wants to do for the day. Heavy fucking buy aggression there. Not getting any result. And when we see that, it normally means we've got a bit of absorption going on. We're stalling a bit here. Take it back down to the cells here. Do you know what? If I was playing aggressive today, that actually would not look a bad setup. We're rejecting this level here. Value area high as well. Yeah, that's not a bad short idea. What I'd want to see though is break down here. Is most of this volume just here? Oh, it seems like it is. Not a lot of volume up here. We're gonna break through it. Are we gonna break? There you go. Let's break through it. I find it very hard to read the open. I just don't like it, honestly. That's why I like to see what price wants to do first. This potential for longs. Volumes coming in mainly for the buyers. Heavy buys. Heavy buys. A retest of this level would be quite nice. Maybe look something like that. We're just gonna fail again. Oof. Holy guacamole. What is this? Jesus. And this is exactly why I don't trade the first 10-15 minutes. Oh. Tell you what, minty Sprite, something else. Something else, honestly. Very, very refreshing. Break and go lower, maybe. It's looking like it, looking like it. It's actually a break of the value area low on the higher time frame as well. Of this 5 minute here. So if we get another break below, retest, push down, cut through this volume maybe, head towards this sort of area. Oh. Tell you what, though, drinking Sprite doesn't half make you fucking burp like something crazy. Yeah, I think that's the push there. That's the push. Do you know what? Actually looks pretty good for a sell-off here. I think I'm gonna miss it though. Get a retest of the buyers here, might be nice. Sell from basically you want to be in already. Yeah, I think it's gone. I think it's gone. You're gonna miss it. Gonna miss it, aren't I? Did we get the retest on the 5 minute? Sellers are struggling here. I really need to change this to MNQ. Take that off. Why is every time I change that setting, it seems to crash? Right, is this the retest? Are we gonna get the retest? Retest. That looks like a retest. He's gonna reject from here. What's it wanna do? What does it wanna do right now? I should have took this short earlier. It was so funny. Me and my mentor were just looking at it. Oh, actually. Oh, fuck, I've missed. Fuck. That's annoying. I think this is going to sell off, and I just missed my entry. Ah, bollocks. What are we? 45. That's the opening range has formed, which means we want to get our Fibonacci tool on that. Let me try and get it a little bit more accurate, honestly. There we go. It's back at that entry point again. Oh, fuck's sake. Literally came back to my entry and sold off. I was too busy setting on my fib. Yeah, there you go. Unlucky. Unlucky. Look at that. Look how quickly you would have made 5R on that trade. want to see how it reacts at the basically that level there. Okay, that's cool. Cool. I feel like it might want to go higher. You know, I'm really not. I don't particularly have a bias on the day at the moment. I just don't know with what's going on with SpaceX and the profiling for me, honestly, today isn't really a big giveaway. Damn, that absorption there. Let's have a look on the profiling. Oh, we've literally rejected that level I was talking about earlier. So I'll show you on the cash profile. Literally come into this zone, pushed higher. But it's hard to keep track of everything that's everything that's going on, everything you've got open. Back at the POC, almost on the profile. There's nothing super clear for me right now. There's nothing shouting my name. That rejection's quite nice. But who's more aggressive, honestly? I think I think I might just chill for a little bit. We're not in a rush. We're not in a rush at all. We're rejecting that big buy area we were talking about before here. Or we're just going to come down, bounce off the sellers. Oh, that big sell effort box though. This is pretty telling. So you can see we're coming up, testing this area, and then we're coming back and testing this area. Probably would have taken a couple of break-evens there if I'd have gotten in on any of those trades, those potential ones I was looking at, which would be fine. It's not a problem at all. No problemo. Yes, the price just doesn't look like it's decided what it wants to do right now. There's no real indicator of which side is pushing more currently. I'm gonna draw my fib. Gosh. Seem to be rejecting the open range low. So whether this becomes the low of the day, I really think it probably more likely wants to sell off. Surely? I don't know. I mean, we've taken the hourly gap, the hourly target that I had for shorts. There's some liquidity at the top of the previous few hours. Also, we just rejected there, swept the Asia high. I feel like shorts sort of make sense. But also, I don't like when days on the cash profile look like this. because it means that price is undecided on where it wants to go. If I actually merge these two profiles together, merge this one, in fact, do you know what, we can sort of merge all of these profiles. Rejected dev, built lower value. So if you look at it like that, then that would give me more of a lower bias, honestly. We'd have to break this level, this level. Oh, why is it fucking just gone off? Really doesn't like the chart I'm trying to show you right now, for some bizarre reason. Oh well. Guess you're not allowed to see it. Pretty heavy buying coming in right now. Got a break of this area, which would give us more of a long indication. I think that might be a play if it breaks out, but right now it looks like it just wants to break back inside the range. Though this is a retest of the value area low on the 5 minute, which would give me shorts again. It's really not it's not a day where things are clear. Any move, I mean any trade is a, you know, risky trade to some extent. But you know, you have to take them risks sometimes. But what we want, oh, look at that. Look at that. Absorption, aggression. Shit, if we could get back up there, I mean, even that. Just build slightly higher there. Yeah, building slightly higher on the profile. Not a massive amount of volume either side here. Like most of the volume sat at the bottom here. Most of the delta anyway. Most of the aggression. I feel like this is probably just going to fail to the value area low of this 1 minute chart. Again, I really should stress, oh my god, I really should stress how I'm not too bothered on taking a trade right now. I'm trying to be patient. Patience for me is probably one of the hardest things in my trading to master. Building higher volume, but price doesn't seem to reflect. But it wants to do that. We're not seeing any big buys stepping in around here, really. Where would our target be? Oh, that there really could be a target at the top of this gap. 068. Oh, miles down there. Seller's aggressive here. Oh, looks like we're getting a push. If you'd have taken that, you'd be in by a tick. You'd be in by a tick. There's the pump. There's the pumpings. If we get a retest, I might jump in on this. Probably 2-3 contracts, maybe 3 cons. I don't think it's going to give me a retest, is it? I think this probably was the area. Is there a? I can't tell. Can't tell if there's big buyers in that candle or not. I don't think there is. Give me a minute, put your Sprite down, boy. This ain't no time for no Sprite. Where's our upper targets? That's the question. 675. 675 line up with anything? 675. Yeah, I'll probably take it to... Probably look to take it to there if I was going to get anything. Oh, do you know what? This... It's hard to say whether this is worth jumping in on, honestly. It could be. Could be nice. If we can get above there. Or is it going to give me the entry I want, which is... Let's just wait and see. This value area is actually building, so right there is really where I'd want to see a reaction. Could just be a false break. Who's aggressive here? Sellers. Sellers are aggressive here. Not getting the result that they want though, I don't think. But I just don't see the buyers. Oh shit, there you go. Whoa, whoa. Oh my god. The sells on that. Fuck. Oh my god. Jesus, look at the speed of tape. Damn boy. That would have been really nice if I'd have fucking got in on that. Okay. That was some crazy aggression. Now I know where my stop is going to be. If I get back down to here, I'm looking 2 cons. Oh. Yeah, so I feel like right now we're looking to go back to the value area high of the 5 minute, which is around about 650. If we get a little rejection, if we can get a test lower, maybe this sort of area, 395. I mean, 380 would be perfect. I'm not convinced we're going to get it. I'm not going to be risking high cons or anything on this today because I don't need to. I honestly don't need to. I'm also like a little bit tired from my hike today, honestly. I think this is just going to pump, realistically. Sellers are fucking coming in hard here and getting nowhere with it. Okay, now they're taking a little bit off the buyers, but it's the big buyers that are stepping in. Sellers aren't really getting rewarded currently. This profile's moving up again. I might take a little stab here. Buyers are really struggling to hold this level, to be honest.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm going to enter 2 contracts there. Stops at 428. $428. And I'm going to go 675 as a target. Okay, I'm going to go break even there. So I'm break even, I'm risk free on this trade right now. What was my entry? 464. I think I might get stopped here. I might get stopped. What do I need? I actually only need 750 or something to. We've now got a break of the open range high. If we can keep above that level, I'm gonna add some contracts, I think. Let's just get this account passed nice and quickly. I want to see a rejection from this area, not a push through like that. I think we'll get stopped if that's what it's gonna do.
Order filled.
Yep, there you go, we're out. Okay, so that's a break even on first trade of the day. So we are break even. I still feel like there's potential for this to go higher if we maybe hold this level. Like, it's even holding now, honestly. I'm surprised we've come this far up and not really continued higher. So you can see the value area is building much higher. So now we're looking at sort of here as the value area high. And all the time it's increasing, which is meaning that fair value is being found at higher pricing. This might be a good level for rejection if we see high aggression from sellers and no result as well. Like that. I'm going to put 2 contracts there. Again, I will be going risk-free on this pretty aggressively. But if we break these highs, that would be nice. 474 was my entry on this. So 474 is there. 475 is where I really want my break even to be, but there's a large amount of sells coming in here. I'll show you my top step, so you can see I'm currently in live. Currently in live on this position. Large amount of buyers coming in here. High buy aggression. Actually, might sort of looks a little bit like absorption here, honestly. We might get a little bit of a retrace. But I mean, with all that buy power, surely not, unless there's a massive level of liquidity sat here that I can't see. Look at the buys coming in. Buys, buys, buys. Okay, pushed above. We're running $350 profit right now. Still struggling a little bit, honestly. I'm gonna go to 513 for my stops. 513 is $150 in profit. I feel like this is gonna collapse. The sellers, the buyers just aren't getting any result at all here. It's actually, I'm going to show deep charts because it's much more interesting. Seeing, look at all the buyers here. Look at all of this buying action just getting nowhere, honestly. I want to see some more aggression from here. I was only 2 cons in on this, because like I say, today I'm going to be pretty brisk off. But if we get another push, I think maybe add some more cons. If we can absorb the liquidity at this area here that we're currently failing at, then I think it's good for a push higher. But I don't want to be too aggressive here. Although that looks nice. That doesn't though, honestly. I'm going to go 5T5 stops. Actually, I'm going to go 520-ish. 520. Round about 520. Oh, my Achilles just clicked like a motherfucker. Ah. Is this going to be the push? Okay, I'm gonna add 2 cons there, and I'm gonna go break even, and I'm gonna bring my take profit to there, because honestly, it's all I need. And if we get a little push up from here, that'll be this account passed. Yes, it is much more risky, and I'm risking a fair bit more to execute this in this way, but it also means I don't have to sit in a fucking trade all night. Bring stops to 540. Is he going to give me an absolute cock tease? I am ready to close this position if needs be, and I will just secure profits for... sorry, let me concentrate. Just need to concentrate for a moment. Let's see what price is trying to do here. We are actually failing this level. Sellers are coming in heavy. I don't want to see... sort of what I'm seeing now, honestly. I want to see more buying coming in. If we start to fail here, I am going to close. I'm going to close it
Order
there.
filled.
Okay, so I closed it there for 565. So 2.7 I'll trade on that one. It's just a shame I maybe should have sized up a little bit on the initial entry. So one break even, one break even, and one. Hang on a second. Oh yeah, no, that is right. Sorry, I thought my balance was all fucked up for a second then, but it's not. It's fine. So what were we in that trade for? There's 6 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So that was our trade. I want to see. This is a crazy amount of buying power to get eaten up. Like crazy money. We're talking monetary value millions, millions and millions. Is this going to be the top? If these sellers, if these buyers get retested, this might actually look like a nice sell. I'm going to go short there. Stops at 5. Stops at 558. I might get stopped out here, but yeah,
Order filled.
I'm out of that. Okay, buyer's taking control again. What is price doing? What does it want to do? I'm gonna have to move this because it's in the way. I'm gonna have to get rid of that as well. I can't concentrate when there's loads of things on my screen. I like to keep a clean screen and focus on what I need to.
Order filled.
I'm in there, 2 cons. Stops just below this low. At 510, is it? If we see aggression here, I'm gonna add on. If not, I might take this position off. Price is really struggling here again. I want to see the buyers take control here. We're kind of sitting around entry right now. This is a value area high. Honestly, this isn't really I wouldn't say a great position to be in. and as such, I think I might reduce my risk on it. If we get another push higher, like that, then I think we're all gravy. I'm break even on this position now. Okay, that looks good. So my entry there was 573. Stop was there. This doesn't look like much in terms of like R. So what am I looking at? 685. Oh, I don't know if that's going to be enough actually. Ah, lag. Lag. Oh, my internet has been fucking terrible, honestly, the past week. How I've made any money at all, I really don't know. I think I need a new mouse as well because this one just doesn't seem to like working right now. Seller's coming in heavy again here. I feel like this could fail again, honestly. I'm sort of watching this very carefully. Yeah, I think it's just going to tap me out break even, probably.
Order filled.
Oh, wasn't quick enough. Yeah, that tapped me out break even, that. So, 2 break evens. 2 break even, 1 loss, 1 winner, I think. Oh, it's just going to run now after taking me out, probably. I feel like it wants to probably go for the value area high first. And then if it's going to fail, it might fail from there. But the cells are getting sold into at the minute, so they're not absorbed yet, or not what I would class as seeing an absorption. But we are at the point of control in this sort of, this bit of a swing here. It's more like a swing from there, realistically. Oh, there you go, look, tap me out, break even, fucking decides to go on a runner. Okay, I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna go in there, and I'm gonna...
Order filled.
Fucking again. How? What the fuck? Oh, I got slipped there. I got slipped. I think I am lagging pretty hard for this. Oh, was it the second lot constant? Okay. Right, I think I am gonna chill, honestly. Sit back, take a break. Because this is obviously just trying to fuck me over. Where are we in terms of the profiling? We're at the POC again. It's really not like an area I actually enjoy trading. Like, it's just so unpredictable what it's going to do around here. Whoa, oh, I forgot I unscrewed my drink like an hour ago. It's a good thing Sprite doesn't go flat quickly, isn't it? Oh, Jesus. Okay, cell aggression coming in there. A little bit of absorption. Still not convinced either way on the move, really. Like, this to me isn't what I like to play. I don't like to play those games. What the fuck is going on? Just removed. Oh my god. This is going to be one of those days, isn't it? It's going to be one of those days where it just wants to fucking piss you off. I think I've missed what I wanted on that as well now. I did. I mean, there's still potential to get on this, honestly. Okay, now there's not. Now there's not. I was literally just about to click the button and it ran without me. But that's just the way it is. Do-do-do. Trades will never be the same. I wanted it to come back and retest this this big sell area first before it started selling off, but shit. I went hiking this morning with a sprained ankle and completely forgot about it. Literally until I got there, and I was like, oh shit, yeah, probably shouldn't do that because it's not going to heal. Is this the breakdown from here? Is this a breakdown for overall lower on the day? Is this all we're getting to? Very rare that we get this far, this close to the orb 75 and don't touch it and then fail. But it looks like that's what it's trying to do. I might have missed this area, honestly. This is sort of this is where I wanted to get in. I think I was too busy fucking drinking Sprite or something. Too busy fucking about, my son. See, it keeps doing that. It keeps like glitching on my mouse. Right, let's see. The value area is building lower. I think this is just a bounce. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce to the ounce. Yeah, this could be the push. This could be the push. Let's see what it wants to do, eh? The worst thing about trading is the patience game. Like, I don't care what anybody says. But if you're not patient, you ain't fucking going anywhere, honestly. And it's probably the hardest thing that I've had to teach myself is patience. Like, I could get in on this now, we've hit this level, but I also could just get wrecked. I need to wait and see how price reacts at this level before I make a decision on what I want to do. Although this does look like it does look like it might sell off here. But then, if we look at the profiling, it doesn't look that good. That can't be right, surely. Let me rebuild this. Are we going to fail from here? The answer is, I don't know. Honestly, I got no idea what Price wants to do from here. If we take this, just nothing is massively clear to me right now. I can just imagine Fabio's voice in my head going, "Is it clear?" And my answer is no. My answer is no. However, building a lot of volume around here. Building a lot of volume around here indeed. What time is it? Oh, we're only an hour into the session. I'm ready for a snooze. Reject, lower, reject, higher. What does it want to do? There's not really a whole lot of volume here, it looks like. It looks like the volume's a bit dead right now. Yeah, 5k, 5k, 5k. Looks like a bit of a dead session right now. In terms of the 5 minute, it does anyway. There's not really any real direction is the problem. I mean, if I was gonna fucking take a bet on it, which I guess is sort of what we do, I would say it probably pushes higher a little bit. And I would expect it to go for this level, which is the 1 standard deviation of the opening range 15 minutes. Or the 15-minute open range, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so this profile now is starting to look more enticing. See how we're just going up to here, down to here, up to here. When you start looking at price this way, it really does start to make a lot of sense. And you can never predict what the market's doing, but you know, if you can get a good idea, it's all about probabilities at the end of the day. All about probabilities and edge, and boring stuff like numbers. Unless you're a numbers guy, obviously, then probably not that boring. However, when you're tired and you're just watching these fucking candles go up and down, it's pretty boring. I like to go one candle back when I'm looking at volume because it doesn't get in the way of the current candle that's forming, so I can still read it. Was that a big lot of delta that just came in there? Yeah, it was. So around about here, we've got some big sellers stepping in. Sorry, big buyers stepping in, pushing the price up higher. So if we keep that level, we might see price decides to continue higher, which would line up with this, which would line up with an opening range high break as well. I don't know if it's me or my mouse that's spazzing out, but it's one of the two. Probably me. It's probably me spazzing out, man. What do I need? I need $600. $600 on a trade. So I need a 2R for 300. 2R for 300. This is what I'm looking for at the moment. I want to see... Gosh, not that. I want to see this... Oh my god! I want to see this area break in one direction or the other. And honestly, the longer it builds, the more directional the break will be. I feel like a sell might be on the cards here. Back down through this level, maybe. Down to 0.75 is a potential area I would watch. Oh, that's a mile away. So all these different colours are basically different things. Really, I don't really use the ones in the middle anymore, if I'm honest. I mean, it's sort of good to know, but I don't really use them that much, to be honest. Okay, sellers are getting more aggressive here now. Sellers are getting very aggressive here. You can see the speed of tape is increasing. So speed of tape is a good indicator when there's heavy aggression coming in on one side or the other. And right now it's the sellers pushing, getting the result. Big sellers here. Yeah, I'm gonna look for a sell position. And I wanna take it. Honestly, I don't want to take it there at all. I wanna only take it to there if I can get it. Like, I don't need much to pass this account. This is just an eval I'm using today because it's close to passing. It's like $400 away, so that's what I'm trying to do right now in this session. And if we can get it, that will be five profit. I think we're actually on like day 9 of profitability. Which is a nice number. Oh, yo. Reject from here might be nice as well, but it's not as tempting for me. Fucking hell. At this point you could just buy at the bottom, sell at the top, and you'd probably get away with the cheeky one. Like that. Oh, 2 cons on that for 30 quid. Or you go sells from the top area. It's interesting we're getting more buy, so like you'd sell now. Definitely stops above there. Oh, you'd be out. You would be out. Are we breaking? Are we breaking? Oh, if we break this is oh, look at that. There's just no... I'm not seeing any follow through though. I want to see some like cell absorption or something here. Give me something to work with. Come on, man. Because at the minute you're just fucking tickling my balls, aren't you? Just tickling my fucking nutsack. Is that gonna be the rejection from there? How am I gonna... You want me to put a stop loss there? I mean, fuck, it's still 4R, honestly. Shift candle there, though. Okay, that's... Bro. That is what I wanted to see, but... Hang on, is there news or something right now? Or is this lag? What is going on? That was a very wiki candle. I think there's some liquidity around here that is eating up all the buy attempts to push higher. Because look at the rejection on that. That's a crazy rejection. It doesn't mean we're not going to break it, and when we do, we'll fucking skyrocket. But if we don't, then we're just going to probably do something stupid like this all fucking day. Which just gets boring, like, you just can't get really in on anything. Like, the PA here is fucking pants, man. Yeah, see, just back down. We'll probably reject from here. This is where, like, if you want to be like a hyper scalper, that little trade there. I say little trade, it's a fucking 10R, but you wouldn't aim for that up there unless you're a madman. Mad things. Oh. A little sell there might have been nice. Oh, I wouldn't take it. But... Oi, oi, oi. This, if I was to say I want a direction, this is the way I want it to go. We might, we might be able to get on here if we can reject this seller like that. See some aggression from the buyers. We're just not seeing as much aggression as I would like. Failing again. I think we need to move our value area high level up a bit. And this one. This one's a here. This is where your patience is tested. Oh damn. Oh damn indeed. Oh dammity damn. Look at it go. Isn't that annoying? Okay, so there's some aggression. What are we going to get? A reload here and then a push down? Yeah, I think it might be actually. That's a shift candle as well. think we might actually get some follow through here. Nope. There's just nowhere good here to put, there's nowhere logical for me to put a stop. That's the problem. I want to put a stop above somewhere that, if I'm going short, somewhere that the sellers have kept a hold of before. Let me have a look at the delta on this up move here. So like this area is a good area of where sellers tried and got no result. Oh shit. I've missed my fucking entry now. Bollocks. Okay, give me a retest. Give me a retest of this area and I will go. Oh, I don't think I'm gonna get it, am I? Fuck. Oh, that's fucking typical, man. Oh, I was literally looking at this volume profile and I missed. Oh, I missed the retest. Fucking hell. Didn't I literally just have my fucking thing there saying there was nowhere to put a stop? Oh, that's very annoying. Very annoying. Oh, look at this. Is it just gonna melt now? They're gonna melt like fucking ice cream. What's happening on the 5 minute? Yeah, we just rejected this fucking level I drew out earlier. Value area high. Oh, like, reading this market is not the hard part. It's looking at your screen at the exact second that you need to be in the right place with your hand on the button. Okay. If we get a retrace, we're going 3 cons. And we're going to take it down as far as we need to, which isn't fucking far, honestly. Oh, do you know what? Even this is starting to look nice. Oh my god, click the button, come on. Do you know what? I might just get on this. Something's telling me not to though. There's buyers in this area before. Oh, oi 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 oi. I'm not going. Oh. I'm really close to passing this account, and so I'm trying to be very like risk conscious, and like I'm already up a little bit for the day. You could scalp from here just straight down. I feel like this might push. If it does, oh fuck off. Oh bro, are you joking? Go on, give me a retest of those. Give me a retest. Heavy sell aggression. No result. Like. Retest. Do you know what?
Order filled.
I'm in. I'm in. I'm in like somewhere here. 396 I'm in. $451 is my stop. Fuck, my stop's way higher than it should be. Okay, let's see if we can ride this down. Reducing risk. Reducing risk. I think I need a fucking, like a 2R. So what's that? 280, I think. Like 280, if I could take that. Do you know what? I'm gonna have to go risk free here because it's just so volatile today. And I think I'm lagging still, which is not what you want when you're fucking trying to trade, especially scalping. Like, so I want to take that risk off the table because it's a bigger risk than usual because I ain't got the tools, brother. I ain't got the tools. I'm gonna get tapped out again, aren't I? Tapped out and run lower. Watch this. Tap out and run lower. Fucking almost guarantee it because that's just my luck. Okay, that's a nice push. If we can get some more sell aggression from here. So this is the trade I'm in. I think 39375 was my entry. Slightly bigger stop than I wanted, but sometimes you just gotta put the balls in. Uh, 405 realistically is where I would want in an ideal situation. In an ideal situation, what you'd be doing there, you'd have a 405 stop, so you would. Not a fucking 395. Because a 395 might get fucking stopped out, you know?
Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled. Fucking shut up. I don't want to hear your fucking order filled. Watch this. Watch this dump now. We have liftoff. Bro, I don't care about fucking SpaceX. That's another break even on the day. Do you know what? Maybe I should care about SpaceX though. Maybe I should. I don't want. I don't know what's going to happen to the NAS with this fucking SpaceX IPO, honestly. I feel like we could see some crazy fucking shit go on. And crazy shit is not what I want. Let's record this trade. Oh, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? What are we going to do with you? Is this SpaceX volume? Is this what's gonna happen? I think we're actually at one of my... We're back at the POC of the composite profile again, which leads me to believe that... Oh, I don't know what's going on. I don't know what's going on today. But that absorption is crazy. I don't know if we're just rejecting the buys or what. Tell me what's going on. Come on, market, speak to me. Speak to me. Give me something. Give me something there. Why don't you? Is this honestly just going to take me out and then... Like, probabilistically, I'd say it goes to 250. But actually reading the market, I don't think that's what it wants to do. I don't think it is. Holy guacamole. What is going on here? Is this SpaceX, is it? Oh, imagine if I'd have got in that buy position. Oh, fucking hell. This must be SpaceX. Let me turn the tunes off. Can I play SpaceX? SpaceX live launch. What's going on? Yeah, blah, blah, blah. 3 minutes ago. Shurtel says, Musk is very misunderstood. Who are these people and why do I care about what they say? Do you know what? I actually don't care. I'm gonna put my tunes back on. This isn't that interesting to me. Okay, so we are back. What time is it? It's fucking nearly... Oh, do you know what? It's nearly 11 o'clock. I did want to get this eval pass today, but... It's not the end of the world if I don't. Very, very much not the end of the world at all. You gotta be cheeky though, because that fucking volume is... That volume is sexual. In terms of the 5-minute profile, it's just basically had a fake out. I've had a failed auction. Started to push higher. Oh, that there actually looks treats, honestly. Do you know what?
Order filled.
I'm going to put 2 in there. I'm going to put 2 in there. I'm going to put a stop to there. Go on, just rip higher for me for 2 minutes. Carry on your little bullish.
Order filled.
Oh my god. Stop teasing me. Stop teasing me. We had another break even there. We could have all the break evens in the world. I don't care, honestly, as long as we catch the move. Are we rejecting the value area high now, though? That's the problem. Yeah, we are. Fucking hell. Fucking hell, brother. Fucking hell, grommet. 534 is going to be my stops if I can get on with this. Heavy sells. Are we going to break through it?
Order filled.
Right, I'm in on another break-even position. Go on, just keep me in, keep me in. Keep me in. I don't care if you keep me in by a tick, just keep me in.
Order filled.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. failed. Yeah, I don't like the idea of this. Now we're at oh my god. Now we're at the value area high. Until we break that, if we break that, we are gonna fucking rip. So right now I'm a bit like, I'm trying to get in on it because I feel like it could pop very quickly. We're seeing absorption at this level here. So like under this is where I would have my stops, if any. But it keeps rejecting this level. Keeps rejecting this level above here. Oh, my leg is fucking numb. There's aggression.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm in there. F5. Oh, it's not really what I want to see. 587 is 587's my stop. If we break this, I'm going to bring stops to 600. It's struggling to get past this level. I really want to see... Oh fuck. We're going to fail it? I really want to see aggression here. Right, we're starting to push past that level. I'm going to bring my 5-minute drawings onto this chart. If it'll let me, come on. Okay, so we're rejecting the level, we're getting aggression. Okay. Okay, I see ya. Now if we reject this level, that's where I want to add to the position, potentially. Currently up $150. Okay, I want to see that aggression pump. I'm going to add 2 contracts there. And I'm going to bring my TP down because I don't need such a high take profit now. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. So I've reduced my profits, but I've also reduced my target necessary. Okay, I want to see this buyer stand firm on it. That's not what I want to see, honestly. That's not what I want to see either. I think... if we fail this sell block, I'm going to exit the position. And if we push through it, I'm going to go break even. Sellers are stepping hard. I'm gonna have to go break even, I think.
Order filled.
Yeah, order filled. Don't you dare rip to take profit now after taking me out like that. If we come back down to where my original entry was, I might look at re-entering the position. But I want to see a hard aggression from the buyers. Because at the minute we could just be failing the level. So we have a look through. We have a little look-see through, see what's going on, and then reject. 3 cons I think is probably my max on this. That was a good break even. That was a good break even there. That was a good take on that, I think. So if we reject this level now like we are doing, we're starting to see absorption here. I think we could fail pretty hard here. So what I'll be looking to do is catch it back down to the bottom. I'm just surprised we haven't hit the ARB 75 level yet. That is sort of baffling me mildly. Oh, I think we've fucked up. Okay. I'm gonna get rid of that one. Yeah, I think I have my level drawn wrong. I just don't know what's going on. If this is SpaceX news, if this is something else I need to be aware of. It's not any, like, news, that's for sure. Building higher value again. Are we going to absorb this seller and come in higher? Looks like it might currently. Lots of buy aggression coming in, but it just doesn't seem to want to break that level yet. Or is this the push here? If buyers are coming in and they're not seeing results from that sort of aggression, I don't know what to think. Overall, I would say they'll probably break that area at some point. But it's not to say it's not going to come down, and you might take a few stop losses trying to catch it if you try and get in before it actually happens. And I want to avoid doing that if I can. Would be nice. Would be nice if I can avoid taking silly losses that I don't need. Like, we could come all the way down to test this buyer. Now that actually is looking a little bit tempting to me. Because even back up to the high there, that's a 3R. And on 3 cons, be just short of what I need, but... What do I need? $560. We're just sitting within this, within the deviation zone. So we're waiting for this to break. We are building higher value. So at the minute it's looking like it will push higher. The 5 minute also is looking like it wants to push higher for me. I'm waiting for a break of this level, a retest. Can I draw it on here? So I want to go bop like that, and then I want to go, oh my god, I want to go bop and then bop. Right, how do I delete that now, because that looks disgusting. Delete, 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 go. Quick, get on my, what? 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. 1 minute for the 1 minute warriors. That is a big stop loss for... I want to see some absorption really that I can get underneath. It's also 11 AM. I don't really want to be trading much longer, honestly. I'm going to give it to half past and then that's it really. Shit. Oh, oh, oh. This is boring. It's the most boring part. Oh, we are closing above that 5 minute area though. We're fucking trying our damnedest. Right, we've closed the 5 minute above. Oh, I feel like this pushes. I feel like it wants to push to 30100. Is there just no volume in the market right now? What is the deal? Yeah, the volume's really died off. There's more sells coming in now. I feel like this could just reject from here, honestly. But in terms of profile, what should happen is a push above. Like that there. Need a push above, a tap back down. That's what we're waiting for. It's what we're waiting for. Take that off the chart there. Why do I feel like my 1 minute chart is lagging? Or is my tick chart just picking up the data more quickly? I don't know. I don't know how it works. Heavy sellers coming in. Heavy sellers coming in. So this is what we want to see. We want to see less result from the sell side now. Now I've got somewhere to place my stops. And I've just broken through it. Broken through it. Heavy aggression. I feel like it wants higher, but it could also just reject. And I'm not in the business of predicting the market. I'm in the business of reacting to what happens with price and analysing the volume. And if it wants to fail, it wants to fail. I will let it. I will let it do its thing. Oh, do you know what? That's actually not that's not a terrible fucking shout there. Oh, I think I've missed that. I think this is going to fail. If we get a reject here, it fails. Is it going to go? Is it going to go? Is it going to fail from this big seller? Is it going to fail and fall on its ass? That is the question. Sell effort here. If it breaks through that, we're back onto our original idea. This is the problem. Like we're trying to get on, regardless of which way it goes. I don't care which way it goes. I just want to make sure when it goes that way, I'm on the train in the right direction. So if the buy train is the train that's coming, I'm getting on it. And if the sell train is the train that's coming, I'm fucking getting on that. I don't care what train it is, as long as I'm on. As long as I'm on it, ready to fucking go. Right, so here's our break. Let's see if we get a retest. Big buyers in the area here. So I want a retest of this. Where is it? This area. This will probably be my last trade of the day, honestly. Because right now, I'm fucking tired. I don't want to miss this actually, I'm going to stay on this chart.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm in. Stop at 632. Okay, so I am in on this position. Top step. Getting heavy selling. So what I want now is the heavy selling to get bought into. I want sellers to get put underwater here. And buyers to take control. If we get that, I think we should have a push on our hands. Come on. And if not, I'm about to get wrecked. Okay, we've seen buy aggression. want to see buyers get some result. So we can see we're just at the value area high here. I actually want to move this across. 687 is my entry. If we get past here, we rip. The question is, are we going to get past here? I don't know what's more interesting for people, is deep charts or fuck, that's 100 and something points, man. I'm not sure we will get that sort of movement, honestly. Where's our next target up? 845 is the next target for me, so let's see how we run. We're just slowly grinding. Normally when we break these levels, especially if it lines up with a 5 minute, which this one does, we normally push quite quickly. The fact that we're not suggests to me that this move might not have the legs. I'm reducing risk there to 665 below these. Oh, in fact, you can't even see. You can't even. Oh well, you can see top step anyway, so that's fine. That's all you need. Are we gonna get some acceleration now? It would be nice if you would comply with those orders, please, NQ. Where's 690? 690's there. This is a real slow mover, man. I'm actually going to move it back to 662. Or 666, I think it was, wasn't it? I feel like I need to give this a little bit of room, given the sort of the wickiness of it, the fact that it hasn't really picked its direction. I mean, it's picked the direction, but whether it's got the legs to fucking follow through with it is another question, honestly. Like, I don't want to see it come past here. If I get to, where are we? 666.50 is where I think I've put my stop. Yeah, so we're low risk on this now, but there's a chance we could come back and retest this area, and that's what I'm conscious of. Yes, it will be a loss. It'll be a small loss of $84, but given the fact we're up on the day, it's a risk I am willing to take. It's fucking $100, man. It's not $5 million or something fucking crazy like that, is it? I want to see aggression from the buyers now. Aggression from the buyers here would be nice if we see some nice. I was going to say SVD then. That was a combination of me trying to say speed of tape and CVD. CVD is not looking great. Effort is holding. We're tapping VWAP. I can see it going higher. I don't not like the idea of it going higher. I don't really need it to go that high, honestly. You know, 830. I know it's 100 points away, but the way that NQ moves now, like compared to, you know, fucking 6 months ago or whatever, I don't think 100 moves is that big of a deal. Okay, cell aggression coming in here. I would actually like to add to the position at some point so that I don't have to hold it so long. But if it doesn't give me somewhere logical to do that, I'm not willing to. Like here it's stalling. Like really I want to get below 695 would be right. I'm gonna go break even there. If we don't get this one, I think I'm just gonna be done for the day, honestly. Because it's been a pain in the ass to wait for this to break, and oh yeah, look, see the value area is building with price action now. Price action? Sound like Mike Tyson there with the price action. Where's my 5-minute chart gone? Here she is. Here's the baby. 5-minute chart doesn't look too bad. So 5-minute, we've had the break, we've had a retest. We are hitting, so this is what I call it, an orb 100 level. So it's one continuation of the 15-minute opening range, and so add one opening range on top of the opening range, basically, and that's it. We're also at the weekly value area high, so anything could happen here. Although if we do break this, we are ripping. But I feel like I'm just gonna get fucking stopped again, man. Honestly. Oh, why is my something wrong with my OBS? If anyone knows how OBS works or why it's so glitchy, please let me know. The only one that seems to work is my main feed, which is what I'm showing on the screen now. So this is mainly what I look at. I think people just want to see the money, don't they? They want to see the pounds and the pennies, or the dollars and the dimes. Dollars and the dimes in this case, I guess. This is a slow grind. Slow rider. Get a little higher. Bum, bum, bum. I wish I could play some sick music. Oh, there you go. There you go. We like to see it. We like to see it. We like to see the buyers taking control. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you like that buy? I do like that buy. I don't like that big seller stepping in though. Although, do you know what I will like? If it gets absorbed. Absorbed. If we get a retest of it, I might add 2 contracts here just because I'm fucking sick of waiting for this, honestly.
Order
Do
filled.
you know what? I'm going balls to the walls. Going balls to the walls. Oh, don't fail on this one little this one little seller now. Come on, buyers, you got this. You got this. You ain't got this, have you? Gonna make me look a right fucking buffoon now. Come on, you suck those fucking sellers up. Suck them up, chew them up and spit them back out. Like a shit burrito. I don't like that. That I really don't like. Like I am adding contracts late to the move, but you know what they say, add to your winners, not your losers. Oh, fuck me. That's looking horrible. Go on. Break through that box. If we can't break through that box, I think we fail here, honestly. I might just have to close this position off. Yeah, it's really struggling. Yeah, there's a big seller sat at the top there. Fuck's sake. Come on, we need a big bunch of beefy buyers to come in and just fucking burn through that liquidity, burn through those orders sat there. Break through that box. Break through that box. That's all we need. Break through that liquidity. No, not the one where the buyers are. The one where the sellers are. Where the sellers are. Yeah, up. I'm gonna have to go break even on this, aren't I? Yeah, that's me.
Order filled.
Ah! Why? Why you do this to me? Why you do this to me, bro? Why? Tell me why. Why you do this to me? If this fucking rips now after tapping me out of break even again, I swear to God, I will fucking kill you. I don't know if I can say that on YouTube. Maybe I'll get the fucking... Oh, look at it, mate. Are you actually joking? This is a piss take. Look at it. Come on. Bro. These sellers better hold this level now after tapping me out, because I swear to God, if this breaks, I'm going to be pissed. You've literally taken me out to a fucking tick and then pumped. Pumped like a fucking... I don't know, but you're pissing me off. Like, look at that move. Look at that move. And now you just... I'm gonna rip off this bloody elephant shirt and eat it if this pumps. I swear to God. I swear to God. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it, bro. NQ, you my bro, but don't fuck with me like that. If you don't sell off now, I'm gonna slap your mama around the face. Yeah, that's what I thought. Fucking bitch. What is it doing now? What are you doing? Oh, do you know what? I might just take my $200 and walk away, because it's now 11:30, and 11:30 is normally the time where I call it a day. I made $10 on that trade. Woo! Sick, mate. Do you know what? I should have just took that fucking $200 or wherever it was. It's because I'm trying to size up. I don't want to wait. I mean, I wouldn't have got there, so I mean, it was fair to take. It was fair to take after seeing the absorption here. Big seller. I don't know if this is going to be the sell-off or not, if I'm honest. It's not really at any particular level. Oh, it's at the value area. well, not a value area high specifically, but it is at a low volume node that it's just tapped into. But you know what? I might just take a quick stab lower at this if we...
Order filled.
Right, I'm break even on this one as well. This might just be a sell-off here. Big buyer stepping in. This is the last fucking trade I'm in. I'm actually sick of sitting here, honestly. I'm gonna add 2 contracts there. Let's see if we can catch this sell-off. I am locked in right now, ready to close if we need to. It's three big sells and 1 big buy coming in, but the sellers don't seem to be getting the results that they would need to keep this position open, so I keep retesting that area. I don't like it.
Order
I'm
filled.
taking that off there. Really?
Order filled.
I'm getting back
Order
in.
filled.
Come on. Take it down.
Order filled.
What the fuck? Are you actually joking? What the actual fuck is that? What the fuck just happened there? Bro, did you actually see how close I was to my take profit? What the actual fuck was that? That was like 100 points in 1 fucking second. Bro, go fuck yourself. Oh, I'm so done for the day. In fact, I actually have a 1 second candle I think I can get here. That was 678 to 744. So that's an 80-point candle in 1 second. What the actual fuck? I'm so done. I'm actually so annoyed. I think I was literally like $100 from my take profit there. And now it's just gone to take profit. Look at that. Are you fucking joking? I actually can't believe that. What a fucking joke. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why? Why would you do this to me? NQ, you dirty bastard. That's what you are. Fucking dirty bastard. That is so bullshit. More bullshit than I can describe.
Order filled.
It's actually jokes. I'm just being a cunt now because that's annoyed me, honestly. It has annoyed me muchly. Very muchly. Is this a revenge trade? Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely it is. Do I care? Nah, absolutely not. Might actually get slipped a bit here, so I'm gonna move my...
Order filled.
Yeah, fucking... Jesus, Mary, Joseph, and the fucking wee donkey. What is actually going on with these candles, man? Like, today is not the day, is it? Today is not the day to be trading. Let me go on a 1 second candle. What were we up? We were up like, I don't know, I was only up $300 or something for the day. What is going on here? Should start trading the 1 second chart like a boss. Nah, I'm gonna call it there, because otherwise, actually, like, actually, no joke, this looks like a decent fucking sell-off. We've got loads of absorption here. If I actually treat this like a normal trade and not an idiot, it actually might not be too bad. Probably 2 cons on that. We're right at VWAP though. We seem to be just rejecting this level of VWAP. If we reject these buyers though and push down, that is fucking... Sometimes you gotta risk it for the biscuit, you know? Sometimes you gotta put the balls in. If we drop like down past this VWAP level, you know, 500 seems on the cards.
Order filled.
can't even get on the side of this here. Oh shit. I'm gonna have to add 2 contracts there and just bring... Oh shit, I actually need it to go like fucking there now. Go away, mosquito. Go away, mosquito, I'm busy. $6.44. I'm actually fucking locked. We've actually broken out of this value area low as well now. So, you know, push down here. Push to 500, I think it's worth trying. Okay, let's see how this goes. Let's see how this goes. If I get another 1 second candle that fucking spikes me out here, I swear to God. I swear to Almighty God, Jesus, Joseph, Mary, the donkey, Noah in his ark, and anybody else. Anybody else. Just give me a nice flush. All I want is, what, 50 points? 50 point flush to the bottom? Is it that much to ask? Really? Is it really that much to ask? I don't think it is. I don't think I'm asking that much of you, NQ. I know I've called you names. I know I've said things that I shouldn't about you. About how you've treated me recently. I feel like I'm gonna fucking actually... It's gonna take me, isn't it? It's gonna take me out again. I was feeling ballsy and then I'm just like, nah, do you know what?
Order filled.
Order filled. Fucking shut up. If I hear that order filled going against me again, I swear. The thing is, like, I will catch one eventually. It's just a matter of when. But do I really want to sit here all day trying it? Not really. It's not why I trade. It's just not fun, is it? It's not fun. It's not okay. I don't like doing this every day. Do you know what I'm at? Oh, it's nearly 11 PM for me, so... Big sells coming in. Yeah, I'm done. I can't be arsed with this anymore. It's teased me far too much. All I wanted today was to get an eval passed, because I was, like, really close to it. So, now I'm $30 up. $30 in the big bad world. I can get myself a McDonald's maybe. That's about it really. McDonald's and a fucking pack of cigarettes. Sick. Right, I'm actually done. I'm sick of looking at this. Ciao, ciao. I will see you on Monday, because it's Friday, actually. I'm going to go play some pool. And, yeah. Watch NQ melt into the abyss. What has it actually done? It took out that lower target on the hourly, like, at 9. It's took out that higher target. You're just sitting in a range, honestly. It's not a great, Oh, you motherfucker. You motherfucker. I can't believe this. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Look at it. Look at it melting. Stop melting without me. I fucking knew it was going to do this. There's a load of big buyers coming in. Shall I go again? Shall I go again for a laugh? For a fucking laugh, mate?
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, it's actually hit my target now as well, which is annoying. Come on, it should melt through there, surely. Where's 400? 400's only there, man. Like, 400 is there. Come on, it should melt through this low volume node, surely. Surely. It's going to do one or two things. It's either going to take me out very quickly, or it's going to melt and go to profit very quickly. And I'm risking, I'm over leveraged here actually, just to try and see which way it's going to go. I want to see aggression come from the sellers here. Sellers were holding this zone previously. Do you know what? I'm going to fucking... It's going to take me out, isn't it?
Order filled.
Fuck you, NQ. Like, actually go fuck yourself. Like, how... Oh, bro. Reversal from here, maybe?
Order filled.
This is not how you should trade, by the way, by any means. However, fuck it, you know. Sometimes you gotta just put the balls in. Sometimes you gotta put the balls in. This could very well reject from here, and I'm gonna look a massive twat, like it's doing right now. Oh, bro. This is like full on tilt mode, man. I want to see it push past these highs, push past that previous level of the sellers here. I just don't know what it wants to do. I don't think NQ knows what it wants to do today. It just wants to. Why is fucking Top Step telling me about a party, a IPO space party? I don't care. All I want is this to reach 29728 right now. Come on. This is probably the worst example of good risk management you will ever see. However, I've not really got anything else to say to that. It's a really bad example of risk management, honestly. We're getting sell aggression here. We're getting CVD coming down. This doesn't look ideal, honestly. Even that 1 minute bullish candle looks a bit shit. I want to see the next candle close bullish, otherwise I think I'm going to close this position. And honestly, it looks like we're retesting the value area low of the previous swing. I'm fucking... Take it out! Take the fucking position off! What are you doing? Are you actually for real?
Order filled.
Like, what the fuck? I couldn't even close my position. Oh, fuck off. Oh, mate. Ugh. I actually can't believe that.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm break even on this.
Order
It's gonna
filled.
take me out probably. Oh, my phone's about to die as well.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oh shit, I didn't fucking mean to put that on. Come on, give me a little flush through, for fuck's sake. Come on. Last little tap. Last little tap. Come on, you need $20, mate. It was $20 away from that pass. Don't you fucking dare. Don't you fucking dare. I was $20 away from passing that eval. $20. Do you know how ridiculous that is? Are you actually fucking serious, is this? Come on, man, just send it down to the fucking... Send it down to the lows, mate. I'm taking that fucking 411 there. I can't believe that. $20 away from my fucking profit. Oh my god, are you fucking serious?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
This is basically full porting this fucking eval. It's not, what is it, full port? I don't know, I wouldn't call it full port. But it's, no, it's pretty ballsy. Go on, just fucking send it lower. It's not that difficult, is it? Go on. CVD is all in line for shorts. It just doesn't want to...
Order filled.
Mate, oh, I'm so done with this. It's just teasing me, bro. Teasing me for fucking fun. Oh, it's $20 off of that. It's just gonna pump from here now. Oh, I really just need to call it a day because I can't even be arsed. What is it? 12 o'clock now. Is it just going to reject from here? This is like an IB play, sort of. What would be the hourly? I actually can't believe that. $20 away from a pass. Now it just looks like it's wanting to reject. Is it going to come back up to this level? I don't know. I am actually calling it a day there because I'm sick of looking at this chart. It's been a boring day, honestly, and it just keeps fucking teasing me with a pass. But I'm not gonna let it affect me. I'm not gonna let it get on me. I've had a demanding day. Yeah, tell me about it, Garmin. Right, that is actually it. I'm going to end the stream there. So,